Hello everyone, welcome back to Spanish Hut. Well guys, today's lesson is going to be a little special. I have got certain phrases for you which are different than I love you, but they have the similar meaning. Well, what I think is if you start using these different interesting phrases, your everyday is going to be like Valentine's Day with your Valentine. Well, now that's just because I think that I love has become so repetitive and something that we say usually, right? Well, how about trying to use these new phrases just to get a little bit more spice in your sentence I love you to someone? Let's get started. First, I love you. Te amo, te quiero. You are the love of my life. Eres el amor de mi vida. You are in my heart. Te llevo en mi corazón. You know that I love you. Sabes que te amo. You are my life. Eres mi vida. You are always in my thoughts. Siempre estás en mis pensamientos. You are everything for me. Lo eres todo para mí. My love for you is so big that mi amor por ti es tan grande que I die for you. Me muero por ti. You are the most important thing in my life. Eres lo más importante para mí. My heart is all yours. Mi corazón es todo tuyo. I'm so happy when I see you. Me alegro tanto cuando te veo. You own my heart. Eres dueño de mi corazón. So yeah, here's all about today's video. Hope you all know different and interesting phrases of I love you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe Spanish Hut. And yes, give us your beautiful reviews in comment section. Thank you.